How's it going, everyone? It is Andre Williams, and over here we talk stocks and we focus on one thing. Always protect your profits. I also got to put in the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice. So just know when you do invest, you're doing it at your own risk. So today we're going to be talking about Senseonics. I don't know if you guys are aware or not, but this stock is definitely looking hot right now. But before we get started, we have to go over the agenda. If you're new to this channel, I just want to let you know we have timestamps down below in the description. But also, if you are a shareholder or you're considering to take a position, I suggest you watch this full entire video. So the first thing we're going to be going over is a technical analysis. We know this stock is running real hot right now. So should you be getting into a position right now, or should you be waiting for a pullback? I feel this is very key because at the end of the day, I want to make sure you guys are maximizing your profits. And then secondly, we're going to be taking a look at the order flow distribution. Yes, this stock has been showing a lot of strength as of late, so we want to see the buying versus selling behavior. We want to see a lot of people taking profits. What is happening? I feel this is very key to know. And then we're going to be going into the final thoughts, where I'll be giving you guys my thoughts, of course, and as well as some more details. So let's get into it. So we're going to be doing a technical analysis for Senseonics. So let's see how it performed on the day. So I ended up closing at $3.62, being up 55 cents on the day, percentage-wise 17.92%. On the low, it tested $3.04, then on the high, testing $3.75. So as you can see here, Senseonics is looking extremely bullish here. So why we can see that it's well above the 200-day, well above the 21-day EMA, and showing a lot of strength well above the 100-day. Even if we take a look at the RSI down below, it is definitely in the oversold territory. So many have been asking me like, Dre, I need to buy into this. I want to get into this play. And I need to tell you right now, I do not want you to FOMO into this one. So right now, yes, it is on a strong run up. This is good to see. I'm a shareholder as well, but I don't want you to get caught if this stock decides to pull back. And if it does decide to pull back, then look out. And we talked about this gap area that needs to be filled. So I'll be looking forward to, if it does decide to retreat, to come back down here. I know you might think I'm crazy when I say this, around $2.70. So if it gets to this particular area on a pullback, then I'll be looking forward to add to my position. Like I said, if I was just getting into one, right? And if it did decide to pull back even further, then I'll be looking out for areas around $2 and as well as around this $2.30 area. Just my personal opinion here. So as far as if this continues to run and continues to be bullish, watch out. And I said this before in the previous video, if we're able to actually have a lot of strength and a lot of buying pressure above this 375 level where we met some resistance, we could easily get over to $4 to put things in perspective here. And it could definitely continue because we know there's also a good amount of short interest in this stock as well, where we can continually get that push getting into the 420s. But of course, we want to be keeping an eye on it getting actually to $4. I know anyone who wants to do any swing trades, I'll definitely be careful around these areas. As you can see, it pulled back all the way to $3. So if you can get in even at $3 on a pullback looking for a move to the upside, that's not a bad idea either. It'll be interesting, just got to be patient, see how things unfold. Now let's take a look at the order flow distribution for Senseonics. So on the inflow side, we have 79, and on the outflow side, we have 68. So we have 2 on the large, 57 on the medium, and 19 on the small. So we have inflow beating out outflow. On the large, we have 4. On the medium, we have 48. And small, we have 16. When we take a look at the large scale orders in the last 5 days, on June the 8th, yes, we had 473.31. But on the 9th, we had 0. And on the today, for the 10th, we had 2,281.87. So taking this into consideration, and the stock is actually running up while I go through this with you, looks like it's trying to make that move to $4. What does this mean? We have a lot of people who are taking profits. I'm telling you, this stock was in the $1.70, $2 range. So taking this into consideration, a lot of people are up, so you can't blame them for protecting their profits. So taking all of this into consideration, it's definitely looking like it's going to be bullish tomorrow for Senseonics, and I'm going to be looking forward to it. So now let's get into the final thoughts. So for my final thoughts for Senseonics, one thing I want to tell you guys, while it's running up, like I said during this recording, it might end up going to $4, and if it does, I don't want any one of you guys FOMOing into this play. I know I'm not your financial advisor here, but these are growth stocks. This is a penny stock, so it's going to have a lot of volatility, and this run up is not going to last forever. It will pull back, so do not FOMO. For anyone who was in this play like myself when it was in the $2 range, even got down to under $2, I'm taking my hats off to you, and make sure that you protect your profits. This is very key here. But do understand of the fact, I do believe in Senseonics for the long term as well, and it's part of the reasons why I'm not going to be selling out completely in my position. I made numerous videos in the past talking about why, as far as the study results are concerned, why Senseonics needs to be taken a lot more seriously. And what we're seeing right now going on with the stock, I must say, I'm not surprised about it, and I want to see this run actually continue. But I am smart enough to know, and I've been following the stock for quite some time, it will pull back, and when it does, if you're considering to take a position, I want to make sure you guys are prepared. And as far as what's going on with the price, yes, a lot of people are going to be taking profits along the way. We also have a lot of shorts that are covering their position. So what it's going to be looking like as far as for tomorrow and as well as next week, hey, I want to see it being above 4 and getting comfortable. But I do know that it can potentially pull back, and I will make sure to always be protecting my profits. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll be talking real soon.